Ni sa re ga ma ga re sa ma pa ni sa. Re sa ni sa ni da ba da ni re sa ni sa ni sa ni da ba da ni ga ma ba sa re da 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 ma ba da ba ma da ba re sha. Doing something unholy. Ni, but I need a buzz. Doing something unholy. Da 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 da, da da da, da da da, da da da.
Ta jum num ta rum ta dhalam kutak tak da da gida ta jum ta jum ta takita ta da ta jum gida jum ta tanam ta rum ta takita ta da gida ta tarita ta dhanata ta runata ta dimita ta da jum ta tanam ta rum ta gadim ta gida.
That was amazing, Dr. Someshri. So you want to say something?
I think this is the perfect start of the show. Soumya Shri, you were too good. The moves you had and the rhythm which you had, it was amazing. Very nice.
Yeah, so full of energy. A great beginning. All the very best to the next contestants.
Thank you. So now you want a performance or a game? Performance? So I think we'll start with the game. So I need you all to organize as teams of 5. Okay, quickly. Teams of 5, quickly. Teams of 5, quickly. So we can have 10 people in each team. So this is team 1.
One more person here. One more person. Come. One person join. How many teams do you want?
5.
5 teams.
No, you need 10 people in one team. We need total 5 teams.
Team 1, team 2.
Team 3. Team 3.
Team 4, 5 people. Team 3, team 4, 4. 5 people, 5. And team, one more team.
We need 10 people in each team.
10 people.
Yes. We need 10 people in each team. So can we have your team 3? 10 people. 10 people. You're there? Okay. ठीक है. So your team 1 silver squads. That is your team for the rest of the night. Your team 2 gold diggers. Okay? Team 2 gold diggers. Team 3 Ruby Rockstars. Team 4, can I have a team 4 from behind? Team 4. Not interested? Not interested. Team 4. Team 4, your Emerald Eagles. Okay, team 5. Take more people, call more people. Okay, so we are going to start with something called as a scavenger hunt. Priya, can you be here, please? Yeah. So we're going to start something called a scavenger hunt. I'm going to announce one item. Okay, the team to fetch it first and give it to me gets a +10. Okay? So the first item is lemon. The team who gets it first. No, this is not lemon juice. I want a sabut lemon. Sabut lemon. Lemon. Can we have some efforts, please? The time is ticking. Yes. So you're which team? Team 3. So team 3, Ruby Rockstars gets a plus 10. Okay. Can you write it down? Plus 10. Then the next item is scissors. Scissors. Your team? Ruby Rockstars. Ruby Rockstars gets plus 10. पहला कौन सा था? पहला भी तुम्हारा ही था ना? पहला कौन सा टीम था? What? क्या? देखते हैं, है ना? The next item is eye drop. Any eye drop? Which team? Which team? Gold Diggers. Plus 10. Plus 10. Okay. The next item with our theme, something sparkly and glittery. Gold Diggers gets a plus 10. Next, sugar. 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 Yes. Yes. Your team? Team 4. Emerald Eagles. So Team Emerald Eagles gets a plus 10. Next is any fruit. Any fruit. Except lemon. Done. Which team? Ruby Rockstars plus 10. Okay. The last is post a selfie with your team and send a collab request to Bio Society India. And hashtag it as UNI 2025. Bio Society India. And tag it with hashtag UNI 2025. Hashtag UNI 2025. जिसका मैम आपकी शीट दी थी ना मैंने. हाँ. Okay, so team Ruby Rockstars. Ruby Rockstars. So in this round we have Ruby Rockstars with a plus 30. Gold Diggers is also at plus 30. Which was the first team who had got the lemon? You had got the lemon. Emerald. Who had got the lemon? Which team? 3.
Which team? Emerald.
Plus 10. Emerald, हाँ. Plus 10 है. Plus 10.
Plus 10 है और लेमन वाला भी.
ठीक है. Okay. So with this, let's have another performance. Is that okay? So next is Sakshi Raj Dr. Sakshi, are you there? Yes. So Dr. Sakshi is ready. So Dr. Sakshi Raj is a first year DNB resident at Civil Hospital, Palwal, Haryana. And she would like to dedicate this performance to all the females out there who might at some point have felt that they are not safe, and especially to the RG Kar Medical College case, because she says that beti padhi to lekin bachi nahi. That means that we could teach a girl child, but we could not save her. Okay, so that is what her performance is all about. Please put her out. Please give a big round of applause for Dr. Sakshi. Can we switch off the lights, please?
Please switch off the lights, please.
Can we switch off the stage lights, please?
Karthikeyan at the back. Can you tell them to switch off the lights?
नहीं होना है अभी यू आर द मेन पर्सन क्या करना है सुनंदनी मैम क्या ये लो कट
स्टार्ट कर दो लाइट सारी बंद है
ये
लाइट से तो बंद नहीं
we cannot switch off. Can we play the song, please?
हमने तुझ पे हजारों सितम है किए हमने तुझ पे जहां भर के जुल्म किए हमने सोचा नहीं तू जो उड़ जाएगी ये ज़मीं तेरे बिन सूनी रह जाएगी किसके दम पे सजेगा मेरा अंगना थोड़ी चिड़ैया मेरी चिड़ैया अंगना में फिर आ जा रे
मारा है मुझको पीटा है बालों से मुझको घसीटा है उन घनी अंधेरी सड़कों पे मुझे तड़पता छोड़ दिया उन घनी अंधेरी सड़कों पे मुझे तड़पता छोड़ दिया
जो उठेगा धड़ से कटेगा कहाँ पे छिपेगा कहाँ पे बचेगा तो गिरेगा गिरा तो चिरेगा छिपा तो मिलेगा मिला तो मारेगा जाग भाग भाग बच सके तो बच के आज आंधी है ये जलजला है पूरे जोर पर चला है किसमें दम है जो लड़ा है कौन रह सका खड़ा है सबसे अटल सबसे प्रबल शस्त्र रचित रक्त चरित 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 सबसे अटल सबसे प्रबल शस्त्र रचित रक्त चरित चरित रक्त चरित रक्त चरित रक्त चरित
Thank you, Dr. Sakshi. Sandhya ma'am, would you like to say something about the performance?
Oh, Sakshi, that was wonderful. I was awestruck. I was asking her, is she the same girl? So your first part was like a warmer, and second part was thumping and awesome.
Harshil sir, you can please give her memento. So we'll move on with our next performer, Dr. Madhur Hasolia. Dr. Madhur, are you there? Dr. Madhur, yes. So Dr. Madhur says that He is from JLN Hospital, Ajmer. He's going to present a song. It is a melodious classic from the movie Ashiki 2. Please clap for Dr. Madhur Halsolia.
Karthikeyan at the back. Can we have lights on, please? Dr. Karthikeyan, please help. Niranjan, lights on.
Can you take care of the lights?
Okay, I'll just go and see.
Or call somebody from these guys.
Hello.
Can we play the track, please? Track.
Can you start it again? Can you start it again, please?
तू ही ये मुझको बता दे चाहूं मैं या ना अपने तू दिल का पता दे चाहूं मैं या ना तू ही ये मुझको बता दे चाहूं मैं या ना अपने तू दिल का पता दे जाऊं मैं या ना इतना बता दूं तुझको चाहत पे अपनी मुझको यूं तो नहीं इख्तियार फिर भी ये सोचा दिल ने अब जो लगा हूँ मिलने पूछूं तुझे एक बार ओ तू ही ये मुझको बता दे चाहूं मैं या ना अपने तू दिल का पता दे चाहूं मैं या ना ऐसी कभी पहले हुई ना थी ख्वाहिशें हो किसी से भी मिलने की ना की थी कोशिशें उलझन मेरी सुलझा दे चाहूं मैं या ना हो आँखों आँखों में जता दे चाहूं मैं या ना
Thank you.
So you want to say something about his performance?
Yeah, amazing performance, and your father is my senior. God bless you.
Thank you, sir.
So let's have the next performance now. The next performance is a powerful dance by Dr. Soumya PP. She's a consultant glaucoma and phacosurgeon at Comtrust Charitable Hospital, Talasheri, Kerala. She's a passionate surgeon as well as a dancer and traveler. This song is about the goddess of fine arts in Hindu literature, Lord Lakshmi, her power, how she helps me to dance, how she protects the whole world from evil. And she's telling that she has tried to incorporate Bharatanatyam from Tamil Nadu and Mohiniyattam from Kerala, two of these dance forms in this song.
So presenting before you, Dr. Soumya PP. Please give a big round of applause. Can we switch off the lights, please? She wants it. Soumya, we'll have the lights on. They can't see you otherwise. Can we have the track, please? Soumya PP, track number 4.
प्रणवालय
Light off, please.
परिपालय परमेशी कमलालय श्रीदेवी कुरिपिंचवे करुणांबुरासी धीम तारा जटुलतो गानमे नाट्यं చేసే గతులతో నామశతం మూల నతులతో నాపైన నీ చూపు ఆపేలా నా ఆలోచనే నిరంతరం నీకు నివాళినివ్వాలని నాలో ఆవేదనే నువ్వు ఆదరించేలా నివేదనవ్వాలని దేహమునే కోవెలగా నిన్ను కొలువుంచా జీవముతో భావముతో సేవలు చేసా ప్రతి ఋతువు ప్రతి కృతువు నీవని ఎంచా సతతము నీ స్మరణే ధీం తారా ధీం తారా.
Wow, Soumya, that was awesome. Ma'am, would you like to say something about Soumya's performance?
Dr. Soumya, that was a brilliant performance, and we loved the way you changed your expressions. I mean, suddenly you were in love and you were smiling, and suddenly, you know, that anger and then all these feelings and expressions were beautiful.
Your way of storytelling in the dance form is really amazing, next level, and better than all the Bollywood, Tollywood, whatever actresses. God bless you.
So as Dr. Soumya is taking her memento, I'll request Dr. Pranesh Ravi to get ready. Pranesh, are you there? Pranesh, are you there? Yeah, okay. Thank you, Dr. Soumya. Next, we have Dr. Pranesh Ravi. While he spends his days singing clarity of vision to others, today he is here to add a different kind of sparkle through music. Known for balancing precision in the operating room with passion outside, he reminds us that healing doesn't always come from medicine alone. Sometimes it comes from a song. This evening, he'll share the uplifting Kabhi Kabhi Aditi, a melody that captures optimism and lightness even in life's cloudy moments. So, presenting before you, Dr. Pranesh Ravi. Track number 5.
Thank you for the intro, ma'am. कभी कभी अदिति जिंदगी में यूं कोई अपना लगता है, कभी कभी अदिति वो बिछड़ जाए तो एक सपना लगता है। ऐसे में कोई कैसे अपने आंसू से बहने से रोके, और कैसे कोई सोचो एवरीथिंग्स गोना बी ओके। कभी कभी तो लगे जिंदगी नहीं है खुशी और ना मजा, कभी कभी तो लगे हर दिन मुश्किल और हर पल एक सजा। ऐसे में कोई कैसे मुस्कुराए, कैसे हंसते, कैसे
और कैसे कोई सोचते everything's gonna be okay. सोच जरा जन जा तुझको हमें कितना चाहते हैं, रोती है भी अगर तेरी आंखों में आंसू आते हैं। गान तो आता नहीं है मगर फिर भी हम गाने अदती माल कभी कभी सारे जहां में अंधेरा होता है, लेकिन रात के बाद ही तो सवेरा होता है। कभी कभी अदती जिंदगी में यूं ही कोई अपना लगता है, कभी कभी अदती वो भी चढ़ जाए तो एक सपना लगता है। हंसते तू जरा नहीं तो बस थोड़ा 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 मुस्कुरा।
Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you.
Amazing. I think that was amazing performance. Very nice.
I think everyone's response shows, you know, how the performance was.
Can we have the next games? So with this, we'll get ready for another game. No game? Okay. So we have 4 teams. Team 1, Team 2, Team 3, Team 4. Okay. One volunteer has to come. We are going to... We need more stickers. We need to get the more stickers. So we'll give you a set of stickers. Okay, to each team. You have to select the sticker matching with your team name. Your silver squad. So you have to pick the silver sticker from this and put it on the person's face. Okay? One volunteer from your team. Okay? Yes. Yes. So silver sticker from this. Wait. Don't start right now. So gold wait. So silver swords, gold diggers, emerald green and ruby rockstar. So emerald will go for green and ruby will go for red. Okay? अपनी किसी भी वॉलंटियर तुम में से हाँ मुंह पे लगाना अपनी टीम का। तुम लोग कौन सी टीम हो? गोल्ड। तो गोल्ड कलर का लगाना। यू विल गेट अ मिनट। नो ओनली वन अपनी एक पर्सन को पकड़ के उसके फेस पे लगाना। डोंट स्टार्ट। वी विल स्टार्ट द टाइम। Rules, wait. Okay, time starts now. You get a minute. Time starts now. Only 3 teams have taken. 4 teams have taken, na? उनके टीम से मैचिंग। गोल्ड डिगर्स में से गोल्ड ना करना। तो हम लोग काउंट करते। तुम गोल्ड डिगर्स तुम इधर ये सिल्वर स्क्वाड का काउंट करोगे, तुम रूबी रॉकस्टार्स का काउंट करोगी, तुम एमरल्ड ग्रीन का काउंट करोगे, Okay, time up. Stop. Silver squad, come here. Come. Can we have the volunteers here from each team? Silver Squad, Emerald Green, Ruby Rockstar, Ruby Rockstar, Emerald Green, yes. So can we count? Emerald Green, 7. Silver Squad,
21.
21. Gold Diggers,
31.
31. Ruby Rockstars,
22.
22. So, can we take photos? Please stay back. Please stay back. Photo.
Photo.
So, in the first position for this round, we have we have Gold Diggers with a plus 50, then Ruby Rockstars plus 30, Emerald Eagles plus 15, Silver Squad plus 20. So the score still now is Silver Squad 20, Gold Diggers 80, Ruby Rockstars 80, and Emerald Eagles 35. So with this, we move on to our next performance. Judges, our next performance is by Dr. Mayank Bansal, who's 23. So next performance, Dr. Mayank Bansal, 23.
अच्छा
23. Next performance, 23, Mayank Bansal. Can we please, yes.
Thanks, sir. All right, everyone. It's so I'm doing something that a lot of us have grown up on. So if you know the song, just sing along. It makes it always more memorable. It's got a little bit of Ophthal in it as well. डूबा डूबा रहता हूँ आँखों में तेरी, दीवाना बन गया हूँ मैं चाहत में तेरी। डूबा डूबा रहता हूँ आँखों में तेरी, दीवाना बन गया हूँ मैं चाहत में तेरी। अब दिन गुजरते नहीं, रातें कटती नहीं, तस्वीर से बात बनती नहीं। तो आजा ना जा बेवफा, कोई जाने ना पहचाने ना ये हुआ कैसे। तुम आ गए ख्वाबों में ऐसे, कोई जाने ना पहचाने ना ये हुआ कैसे। तुम आ गए ख्वाबों में ऐसे, बेवफा सुन लो बेवफा, बेवफा ना जा। All right, that's my rhyme. Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Mayank.
No, you.
I think that was very nice, Mayank. And the guitaring was also very good. We keep on hearing a song on Facebook also, yeah.
हम तो डूब गए.
And you finished too early. I think 2 more paras are there, no, in this song. Okay. Great.
So now we have another performance. Dr. Harita, are you there? So Dr. Harita is going to sing a song for us. Yeah, sure. So Dr. Harita Bhatt is both a trained classical singer and a dancer. She's been immersed in the world of music and dance since the age of 5. She's going to perform one of the most enchanting compositions, Mere Dholna, which expresses the emotions of longing and separation, a theme that resonates through ages. So please put your hands together for Dr. Harita.
Hello, check. Can I have the track, please?
सांसों में तेरे संग में है अब रात दिन जिंदगी मेरी तो कुछ ना अब तेरे बिन सांसों में तेरे संग में है अब रात दिन जिंदगी मेरी तो कुछ ना अब तेरे बिन धड़कनों के सरगोशी मेरे धड़कनों में बजती है मैं जागती निगाहों में ख्वाहिश तेरी सजती है तेरे ख्याल में है पर तेरे ख्याल शामिल है लंबी जुदाइयों वाली मुश्किल बड़ी मुश्किल हो पिया
Thank you.
Amazing. For a moment, we didn't realize whether you're singing or it's a background track playing. Thank you so much.
I think you need to sing one more stanza, no?
I think.
लग जा गले के फिर हंसी रात हो न हो शायद फिर से जन्म में मुलाकात हो न हो लग जा गले के फिर हंसी रात हो न हो शायद फिर से जन्म में मुलाकात हो न हो लग जा गले है हमको मिले है आज ये घड़ियाँ नसीब से जी भर के देख लीजिए हमको करीब से फिर आपके नसीब
शायद फिर से जन्म में मुलाकात हो न हो, लग जा गले हे हे।
I think that was wonderful performance, Harita, and we have got a new talent. And Divakant, let me tell you that those who are exceptional, they directly go to LBO night for AIOs. Amazing. And the moment she started this song, I knew that she is a trained singer. Otherwise, no one would attempt this. Very nice. Thank you. Very nice, Harita.
So after that mesmerizing performance, we have another performance by our very own Dr. Rakhi D. Cruz, who's a core member of the Yossi Socio-Cultural team. She has been one of the key members for the entire socio-cultural team. So she says that I'm a brand new mom. And while my little one refuses to sleep, my mummy pouch also refuses to go in. But my love for dance refuses to give up. So here I am with little practice but lots of passion to share a glimpse of our region's grace and cultural heritage, which is Kerala. Can we have Dr. Rakhi's track, please?
ആലായാൽ തറ വേണം, അടുത്തോരമ്പലം വേണം, ആലിന്നു ചേർന്നൊരു കുളവും വേണം. ആലായാൽ തറ വേണം, അടുത്തോരമ്പലം വേണം, ആലിന്നു ചേർന്നൊരു കുളവും വേണം. കുളിപ്പാനായി കുളം വേണം, കുളത്തിൽ ചന്ദമര വേണം, കുളിച്ചു ചെന്നകം പൂകാൻ ചന്ദനം വേണം. മാലായാൽ തറ വേണം, അടുത്തോരമ്പലം വേണം, ആലിന്നു ചേർന്നൊരു കുളവും വേണം.
പുഞ്ചിരി തഞ്ചി കുഞ്ചിക്കോ, മുന്തിരി മുത്തൊളി ചിന്തിക്കോ, മഞ്ചണി വർണ്ണ ചുന്ദരി വാവേ, താങ്കിണ്ണക്ക തകതിമിയാടും തങ്കനിലാവേ. പുഞ്ചിരി തഞ്ചി കുഞ്ചിക്കോ, മുന്തിരി മുത്തൊളി ചിന്തിക്കോ, മഞ്ചണി വർണ്ണ ചുന്ദരി വാവേ, താങ്കിണ്ണക്ക തകതിമിയാടും തങ്കനിലാവേ.
परदेसिया मिला है तू मुझे जब से, मैं कद हूँ तेरे भी प्यार में तब से.
Yeah, that's not right. Thank you, Rakhi.
Hey Rakhi, that was too good. That was awesome. So there's a will, there's a way. Wonderful, and keep it up. A big applause.
This is non-competitive.
I know. So, Rakhi, one question for you. You are good in everything, whatever you do, right? In your means research, academics, and this extracurricular. So, what is the source of your energy?
My source of energy, I think, is my mother. She always inspires me to be in the best in whatever you do.
So that was Dr. Raki D. Cruz. And now we have on stage, he is someone who just lets go when he's on stage. He forgets there's a crowd, he forgets himself. That's the kind of performer that he is. So presenting before you, Dr. Bharat Mehta. So Dr. Bharat Mehta is an assistant professor at Rama Institute of Medical Sciences, Hapur and Bagpat. He's a teacher by profession and dancer by, who loves breaking stereotypes and likes to entertain.
साड़ी के फॉल सा कभी मैच किया रे, कभी छोड़ दिया दिल, कभी कैच किया रे। तेरा किया रे, अभी पिले 18 का बचाए भीतर पिया रे। साड़ी के फॉल सा कभी मैच किया रे, कभी छोड़ दिया दिल, कभी कैच किया रे। अगर बेटा बन के मारे कभी जरा बन दिखाई, उन्हें बोला हट वाले पान नहीं पिया रे। एबीसीडी पढ़ ली बहुत, ठंडियां पढ़ ली बहुत, अच्छी बात कर ली बहुत, यूं करूंगा तेरे सहारे सहारे तेरे तेरे सहारे। गंदी बात, गंदी 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 बात, गंदी बात, गंदी 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 बात, गंदी बात, गंदी 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 बात, गंदी 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 बात। ना 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 दिन दिन रात दिन दिन गंदी बात। रंग चढ़ा है, रंग चढ़ेगा, बैंड बजा है, बैंड बजेगा, जश्न चला है, जश्न चलेगा। ये हो डगर वो हो डगर, मैं न रुकेगा। आइला रे आइला, हाथ जमाइला, आइला रे आइला, हाथ जमाइला। आइला रे लड़की मस्त मस्त तू, आइला रे। आइला रे लड़की मस्त मस्त तू, आइला रे।
फिर से बोल जरा जो तू बोला रे,
देख के तुझको दिल आई का डोला रे।
Thank you, Dr. Bharat.
Yeah. So awesome, the most multifaceted and the most dynamic UOC member, Bharat Mehta, only one.
प्रिया, मेरे बैग में ना चार्जर है, चार्जर निकाल पे लगा दो। तुम बताओ, थोड़ा सा ले ले, थोड़े करा देते हैं। ठीक है, 3 4 भरत क्षितिज का आधे तो निपटा लो, अपूर्वा तक, सुनंदनी तक हो जाएगा उसके बाद। So next we have on stage Dr. Kshitij Raizada. So he has a very interesting presentation. So Dr. Kshitij, do you want to speak on what you're presenting on your own?
A very good evening, everybody. So I make handmade drawings on paper which give the illusion of being 3-dimensional, and I have compiled my drawings in a short 2-minute video. So I'll just like to show them through the video. Can we have the video? Sir, is it possible to switch off the lights?
Lights, please. Lights off. Lights off. IHC team, can we have the lights off here right now? Lights off, these off. Can we have Dr. Kshitij's video? Number 9. Number 9, Dr. Kshitij video.
Wow!
Its creativity is next level. So innovative. I'm really impressed. Superb, super show.
Thank you, Dr. Yeah, memento, please. Till then, I'll request Dr. Apurva to get ready.
Welcome. We know you're here. So, ladies and gentlemen, I have a surprise for you. The surprise is a big man. Our mentor is here. He's joined us. He is, in my opinion, and I think a lot of us, the father of ocular oncology in the world and India. Can we have the name, everybody? Can we have Santosh Honavar, sir, right here? Please join us, sir. We are waiting for you. And can we have a big round of applause for this legend, the living legend himself, Dr. Santosh Honavar, sir. Louder, louder, everybody. You can say something. Sir, we would request you to say a few words to inspire us bios.
I think as expected, you've done a great job and it's a great show. I'm enjoying it. Thank you so much.
So, with this, we move on to our next performer, Dr. Apurva Ayachit. So, she is a retina specialist and a student of Kathak. This is her ode to one of her favorite divas. Aishwarya and Apurva Ayachit is at MM Joshi Eye Institute, a very dear friend and a fabulous person. So, let's hear from Dr. Apurva Ayachit. Track number 10, please, Apurva Ayachit.
मैं जी आया मैं प्रेम पे आना पी आया ओए रत्ता जोगी मैं प्रेम दा प्याला पी आया एक पल में सदियां जी आया सारी मधुशाला पी आया एक पल में सदियां जी आया मैं भी आया जा भी आया मैं जी आया रत्ता जोगी
तू रंता जोगी है ये जोग लिया किस कारण ये रोग लिया किस कारण ये जोग लिया किस कारण ये रोग लिया किस कारण
एक जोगन देखी बस्ती में एक मौज उठी तो मस्ती में एक जोगन देखी बस्ती में एक मौज उठी तो मस्ती में दिल भी आया मैं भी आया मैं प्रेम प्याला भी आया मैं पी आया मैं जी आया मैं प्रेम प्याला भी आया मैं जी आया
Awesome, Apurva. Sir, few words. Ma'am, you want to say something?
Apurva, that was a wonderful and fantastic performance. And I think we were all speechless watching it. Yes. Beautiful. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Apurva, super energetic performance. Yeah. Wish I knew. Super performance. Amazing.
Okay. Thank you, Dr. Apurva. Next, we have a very versatile dancer, Dr. Nandita Trivedi. And she's a beautiful Kathak, beautiful Bharatnatyam dancer. So let's, Nandita, you're ready? Yeah. We need track number 18. Samir, are you coordinating that? Can we play her track, please? Track number 18, Dr. Nandita Trivedi.
जटाकटाह संभ्रम भ्रमन्निलिम्प निर्झरि विलोल वीचि वल्लरी विराजमान मूर्धनि धगत् धगत् ज्वलल्ललाट पट्ट पावके किशोर चन्द्रशेखरे रति प्रतीक्षणं मम
कौन है वो कहाँ से वो आया चारों दिशाओं में तेज सा वो छाया उसकी भुजाएं बदलें कथाएं भागीरथी तेरी तरफ शिव जी चले देख जरा ये विचित्र माया
You're glowing, you color and fracture the light. You can't help but shine. And I know that you carry the world on your back. But look at you tonight. The lights, your face, your eyes, exploding like fireworks in the sky. Set fire, touching on your body while you're pushing on me. Don't you in the party? I could do this all week. We'll be dancing till the morning, go to bed, we won't sleep. Chumma, kiss it, daddy, body. Touching on your body while you're pushing on me. Don't you in the party? I could do this all week. We'll be dancing till the morning, go to bed, we won't sleep. Chumma, kiss it, daddy, body. You're glowing. You're glowing.
Thank you, Nandita. That was amazing.
A Sarvagun Sampan performance. May I have your autograph, please, Nandita?
May I have your autograph?
So now there's a very surprise announcement by Dr. Harshal Tak sir. I'll request sir to come and.
Thank you so much, Nupur. Nandita, that was awesome, And in the end, the way you make Shava with this, it was amazing. Very nice. So I'll take this opportunity to just showcase a very short reel. I'll request Divakant, Nilesh, Santosh sir, please. So this is the LBO program which we had in AIOS. And so this is a reel which is first time we are going to introduce here. Then it will be showed on all social media platform. And believe me, this is amazing talent here. And I tell you, some of them directly will go for that program. LBO night we'll have with young ophthalmologist, of course. Yes, thank you. Can we have that reel with a loud sound, please?
तुमने कभी किसी से प्यार किया? गुलाबी आँखें
Welcome to LBO Rock Night 2025.
Let's begin the program.
Feel it coming in the air. Hear the screams from everywhere. I'm addicted to the thrill.
I'm ready.
It's a dangerous love affair. Can't be scared when it goes down. Got a problem? Tell me now. Only thing that's
टेंशन नहीं लेने का, LBO ज्वाइन करने का.
Yeah, I said it, we are. This is Rock Nation. Pledge your allegiance. Get your petite. Black cars, all black, everything. And our girls are black.
I'm really amazed with the talent.
This is not familiar. I'll explain later. But for now, let me get back to this paper. I'm a couple bands down.
Thank you all for being here. It's great. I hope you all have a great evening.
Sir.
So, thank you. I want all of you to be there for the next program. Devakant, Karan, Prasanna, Nilesh, everybody. Nupur, she is an integral part. Priya, always there. Thank you so much. Yes, Arvind is always there. And for international delegate also, I would like to request that you also can participate. Please send your entries for this show. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for that beautiful reel. LBO Rock Night was a complete rock on. And now we have our next performer, Dr. Ahan Shah. Dr. Ahan, are you there? Yes. So Dr. Ahan is going to play guitar for us. So let's hear from him. Please clap. You'll take some time to set up. Ho gaya. Do you want a stool or a chair? You're fine?
The highlight was your makeup. What a makeup you have. Seriously.
Hello.
So I'm going to sing a song. I'm sure all of you know that. And this is a song that was my first concert song in UG. And this is very close to my heart. If you feel like it, please do join along. Let's have fun. Can anyone guess the song? Yes.
दूर जितना भी तुम मुझसे पास तेरे मैं अब तो आदत सी है जिंदगी से कोई शिकवा भी नहीं है अब तो जिंदा हूँ मैं इस नीले आसमां में ना जाने कब से उम्मीदें कुछ बाकी है मुझे फिर भी तेरी याद क्यों आती है ना जाने कब से ओ
ना जाने कब से, और आंखों में ये गम नम बन जाए। हे वो ये जो याद है सभी काटे हैं, कटा दो इन्हें, मिटा दो इन्हें। दाम दिर दर दाम दाम दीम दाम दिर दर दाम दाम दीम दाम दिर दर दाम दाम दीम दाम दिर दर दाम। अब तो आदत सी है मुझको ऐसे जीने Thank you very much. Thank you for joining.
Ahan, a question for you. So, Ahan, great performance indeed. So, a question for you. When you were born, so you cried in which sur?
That's a very good question, sir. Yeah, probably Sa.
Oh, Saptam sur.
Yes.
Amazing, amazing. God bless you.
Thank you so much.
So, ladies and gentlemen, we have a set of awards which I told about you in the morning. Are you all fit? Who's fit over here? Who is fit? Can they raise their hands? Just 4-5 hands, 2-3 hands I'm seeing. That's it. We are young ophthalmologists. We should all be raising our hands over here. We are fit. So we have a set of awards. It's called the Iconic Fitness Award. Because, can we have the award? Can you show me the award? Award, Iconic Fitness. Iconic Fitness, piche.
Next is yours.
The reason of this award is because 6 packs may actually beat PowerPoints. So, who's fit over here? So we've got 2 sets of awards. One is for a young ophthalmologist and one is for somebody from trade. Trade also. So we should have some kind of a competition over here. We had something similar which was won by Dr. Apurva last time. It was the push-up challenge. Who can do push-ups over here and win this iconic award? Let's get the people here. Come on. Oh, here. Come on. Everybody here. Push-ups. I'll be the one counting. Okay. Only 2 people. 3 people. 3 people. That's it. That's it. Only 4 people are ready to fight for this award. Apurva. तुम्हारा modified होगा girls का. Come on. Fit girls. Okay, the push-ups for the guys is the proper push-up. Proper push-up. For the girls, you can do this. Okay? Okay? The girls can do this. It will be like this. For the guys, it will be like this. Okay? Unfortunately, I cannot participate. आप सर eligible नहीं हो. कर सकते हो.
People are there, make it individual.
Okay, we'll do that. Any more people? Anybody from internationals? Come on. आ जाओ. Come on.
एक बार फिर से करके दिखाओ कैसे करना है.
फिर से करके. Okay. So, okay, sir wants me to demonstrate again. I think he's ragging me right now. But it's for the girls. Okay, for the guys. And for the guy. Proper. Okay? Huh? Okay. So, how many people do we have here? Raise your hands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Can we have somebody record this video? Socio-cultural team. Anybody record? Priya? One by one. But record to करना है. Everybody on stage.
वर्टिकल में नहीं, हॉरिजॉन्टल में बोल
वैसे ही करेंगे. Horizontal. अरे ठीक है. This is fine. Okay, not everybody. 2-3 people can come down. I am organizing it. I am not getting out of the way. So, I just did 4 push-ups. I can do 50 more, no problem. I can do it. At least I used to be able to do in one set. Where's the Sri Lankan team? Saminda, where are you guys? I think they're at the bar. Can somebody tell them we're having a push-up challenge outside? Push-up challenge. Srinivas sir is running away. Srinivas Joshi sir, come. Okay, so we will start. Do we have an update from anybody outside? Ille? Nahi, theek hai. Can you all? No, some people come down. Yeah, ho jayega? Okay, so we're going to go 1, 2, 3. Get into your positions, guys. I'm going to be the one counting. Huh? आ जाओ. दम है. Here. Come down. It's better here, by the way, guys. We'll have more comfort here. अरे वो ready हो रहे हैं यार sir. Okay? No, my speed. I say 1, it's 1. Okay, ready, set. No, I have to count. Okay, ready everybody, positions. On your marks, set, go. 1, 2. Judges are here to disqualify. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Claps please. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, out. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, Apurva all the way down. 30, 31, all the way down. 32, all the way, you're going to touch the ground. 33, 34, 35, 36, Nandita, you're out. 37, 38, 39, touch the ground. 40, 41, 42, 42, 43. Doesn't count, Apurva, doesn't count. 44, 45, 46, down. 47, one more, 47, 48, come on. 49, 50, 51, 51, 51, 51, 51, Khatam, 51 winner. ना हुआ, खड़ा था बहुत देर. He did. Continue. Stand up. It's a tie. We'll take it a tie. Judges here. He is disqualified. Pehle hi, sir. Sir, first of all, he's ineligible.
I did it fast, and that's why I did 15.
नहीं वो ठीक है सर, बट काउंट के साथ नहीं सर. आप जीते, वो बात नहीं है. मतलब बट सर, so 3 cheers for Dr. Arvind Maurya sir for doing a wonderful job here. And sir, fitness beats everything, and we have to learn something regarding it. But sir, यही रहो आप. Sameer and Karthikeyan to share the award given by. तू आउट हो गई थी पहले. ये थी. That doesn't count. Last time she won. You survived. Judges. नहीं. तेरा पहले ही बोल दिया था. चल ठीक है. Okay, so judges, I would request all three. No, it's not for that. Sharing the award. Santosh Honavar sir, please sir, come and give the award along with Arvind Maurya sir to these fantastic gentlemen, along with Harshul Tak sir. Please sir, join. And 3 cheers, guys. I'm sure they've bulked up right now. Okay. We have one. Anybody from the industry? Chirag, you're the only one. Come on. आ जाओ. ऐसे नहीं छोड़ने वाले. कम से कम 30 तो चाहिए. आ जाओ. Let's start. So we have one more. This is for the industry. Anybody from the industry here willing to participate? Not here. But dekho, we're not going to give it easy for them. He has to at least do 30 push-ups to get this award. 30 push-up तो चाहिए. आराम से होगा. 30 मुश्किल नहीं है यार. मैं करूँ साथ. चलो.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30.
Next. So we'll move on with our next performance after that fun segment. Next is another very key socio-cultural team member, Dr. Sunandini Bose. So Dr. Sunandini Bose is going to present a dance. So she says, I am Dr. Sunandini Bose, a mother of twin daughters. I had given up dancing long back, but after my daughters were born, something clicked inside me and I resumed my dancing again. Now we 3 dance together and have loads of fun. I hope you all enjoy this small tribute to my daughters. This is the first dance that she performed in front of them. So please give a big round of applause to Dr. Sunandini Bose.
Kangana, kangana, kangana. Jhumka, jhumka, jhumka. पायलिया कंगना 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 झुमका 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 पायलिया पायलिया छनक छनक के बोले छनक छनक के बोले ओ बड़ी मुश्किल बाबा बड़ी मुश्किल गोरे गोरे गल पे है काला काला तिल बड़ी मुश्किल बाबा बड़ी मुश्किल दिल पे अटक जाए आशिकों का दिल जरा बच के रहना चलिए जरा बच के रहना चलिए मेरी अदा भी है कातिल बड़ी मुश्किल बाबा बड़ी मुश्किल गोरे गोरे गालों पे है काला काला तिल बड़ी मुश्किल बाबा बड़ी मुश्किल दिल पे अटक जाए आशिकों का दिल
Very graceful, Sunandini. Very nice. Very nice, Sunandini. Very graceful. Big round of applause for Sunandini, please.
Amazing, Sunandini. Thank you so much for that performance. Next, we have another socio-cultural dynamite, Dr. Priya Sisodia. Priya naam to suna hi hoga, and she needs no introduction. So let's just, see her on stage. Dr. Priya Sisodia, track number 14, please. Priya Sisodia. Track number 14.
I'm not running marathon.
Okay. ठीक. So Priya's track is having some technical glitch. Okay, till she's sorting that out. Okay. We can have the next performer on stage, Dr. Arnav Singh Saroya. So Dr. Arnav Singh Saroya, you want to introduce yourself?
Hello, my name is Dr. Arnav Singh Saroya and I am a cataract cornea and refractive surgeon from Kota, Rajasthan. I'm proud to have Dr. Harshul Taksar from the state of Rajasthan who's taken our life beyond ophthalmology to the globe. So I'm going to sing a song with a karaoke, and the whole point of having the karaoke is to have you guys sing along with me.
Track number 16, Dr. Arnav Singh Saroya. Dr. Arnav. Arnav.
सुन मेरे हम सफर या Please sing along. क्या तुझे इतनी सी भी खबर कि तेरी सांसें चलती जिधर, रहूंगा बस वहीं उम्र भर, रहूंगा बस वहीं उम्र भर। जितनी हंसी ये मुलाकातें हैं, उनसे भी प्यारी तेरी बातें हैं। बातों में तेरी जो खो जाते हैं, आऊंगा होश में मैं कभी, बाहों में है तेरी जिंदगी है। सुन मेरे हम सफर, क्या तुझे इतनी सी भी खबर। Thank you.
Thank you, Arnav.
So next we have the performance of 17. Okay. So next we have the performance of our own queen of socio-cultural, Dr. Nupur Goyal. She is most dynamic, most spirited, the most powerful dancer we have seen. So let's see her performance now. Please play track number 17. Track number 17. Look at पीछे देखो.
3, 2, 1, go.
आओ हुजूर तुमको सितारों में ले चलूं, दिल झूम जाए ऐसी बहारों में ले चलूं। आओ हुजूर तुमको सितारों में ले चलूं, दिल झूम जाए ऐसी बहारों में ले चलूं। आओ हुजूर आओ। चाहत के उजले उजले नजारों में ले चलूं, दिल झूम जाए ऐसी बहारों में ले चलूं। आओ हुजूर तुमको सितारों में ले चलूं, दिल झूम जाए ऐसी बहारों में ले चलूं। आओ हुजूर
आओ। Harshal sir, what do you want to say?
I think Nupur is flawless, you know. She just glides around the stage like anything. She's an amazing dancer. Her expressions are amazing. Her passion for dancing is too good. I'll request all of, yeah. Come. Big round of applause for Nupur for all her efforts. Very nice.
लेकर के AOS से लेकर के योसी में भी करती है।
नुपुर के लिए एक शेर लिखा है, कितना अच्छा मतलब एफर्ट करके इतना अच्छा सक्सेसफुल प्रोग्राम किया है। तो एक शेर लिखा है, 2 पंक्तियां हैं, ज़्यादा बड़ा नहीं है, आप लोगों को बोर नहीं करूंगा। कि ए गालिब सबके दिल की धड़कन बनना जरूरी नहीं. ए गालिब, सबके दिल की धड़कन बनना जरूरी नहीं. कुछ की आंखों में खटकने में एक अलग ही मजा है. God bless you. God bless you.
Nupur, such a beautiful girl with such a bubbly kind of energy and accentuated with that killer smile. You are awesome. Love you. Love you. You know, once she was dancing and I was like dancing with her. We started dancing together. I was pairing with her, copying her steps. Oh God, I just lost my breath, you know. I couldn't catch up with her. Wonderful.
So with this, we move on to our next performance. Please, our performers have put in a lot of efforts to present this talent show. I'll request everybody to please cheer for all of them. So Dr. Priya Sisodia, another Yosri Social Culture Dynamite, a key member. Can we have a track, please?
थोड़ी फुर्सत भी मेरी जा कभी बाहों को दीजिए. थोड़ी फुर्सत भी मेरी जा कभी बाहों को दीजिए. आज की रात मजा हुस्न का आँखों से लीजिए. आज की रात मजा हुस्न का आँखों से लीजिए. वक्त बर्बाद न बिन बात की बातों में कीजिए. वक्त बर्बाद न बिन बात की बातों में कीजिए. आज की रात मजा हुस्न का आँखों से लीजिए. दिल में मीठी मीठी मचती है हलचल हलचल. तू मिला मिला सहारा बिन तेरे नहीं गुजारा. रोज नए सपने दिखाने वाले. हाँ बूम बूम जब भी मिलते हैं हम तुम आंखों आंखों में होते हैं गुम. दिल बोले बूम बूम. बूम बूम मेरे सीने की धड़कन को सुन. मेरी सांसों को तेरी धुन. दिल बोले बूम बूम.
It was so much better to see you here in person, in front of my eyes, rather than, you know, watching you on social media screen and Facebook and everything. You are super, super.
मार दिया, पता नहीं कितने मार गए.
So next we have Dr. Charul Mittal. So Dr. Charul Mittal is a junior resident at JNM Medical College, AMU. She's a beautiful singer and let's hear for her. So Dr. Charul Mittal, can we have track number 19 please? Track number 19, Dr. Charul.
मेरा
Harshal sir, you want to say something about her performance?
Amazing, Charul. Very nice. So I remember on that Independence Day program also, she sang very well. Very nice, Charul. Keep it up.
So now we have a very, very talented singer amongst us, Dr. Harshal Tak, and we would like to hear from you, sir. Please come. Please give a big round of applause for Dr. Harshal Tak.
Hello. Can I have some reverb? Yeah. So, what is the latest craze, guys? Can you tell me? Sayyara, yes. So young लोग सैयारा नहीं गाएंगे, कौन गाएगा यार? Come on. So I think everybody will sing along with me. I think this song is become iconic song. Hello, hello, check, check. थोड़ा reverb. Hello, hello, check. Bass. Hello, hello, check. Track volume, please.
तू पास है मेरे पास है ऐसे मेरा कोई एहसास है जैसे तू पास है मेरे पास है ऐसे मेरा कोई एहसास है जैसे हाय मैं मर ही जाऊं जो तुझको ना पाऊं बाहों में तेरी मैं रातें बिताऊं होठों पे लम्हा लम्हा है नाम तेरा है तुझको ही गाऊं मैं तुझको पुकारूं मौसम जरा सा रूठा हुआ है सैयारा तू तो बदला नहीं है मौसम जरा सा रूठा हुआ है संतोष सर सिंगिंग अमेजिंग बीते लम्हों से दुनिया बसा लूं मैं तो तेरे आंसुओं से बना हूँ मेरी हंसी में तेरी सदाएं तेरी कहानी खुद को सुनाऊं यादों के तारे तुझको ना पाऊं बातों में तेरी मैं रातें बिताऊं नाम तेरा है तुझको ही गाऊं मैं तुझको पुकारूं सैयारा तू तो बदला नहीं है मौसम जरा
so much.
नहीं हर्षुल भाई माइक हाथ में रखिए. सो मेरे को याद दिला दिया आपने. नन टू सेकंडम. आदित्य डॉक्टर हर्षुल. सो इनसे एक गुजारिश है कि गुलाबी आंखें 1 पैरा. गुलाबी आंखें ओनली 1 पैरा.
La 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 la. गुलाबी आंखें जो तेरी देखी शराबी ये दिल हो गया. संभालो मुझको ओ मेरे यारों, संभलना मुश्किल हो गया. गुलाबी आंखें जो तेरी देखी. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much for being there today and that beautiful song. So next performance we have Dr. Dhruv Kamra. Dr. Dhruv, are you there? Dhruv, are you there? Okay, so Dr. Dhruv is not there. We have Dr. Neha B.S. Pandey. So Dr. Neha says, so Neha is going to present a beautiful song for us. Can we have track number 22, please? Track number. So this is the last performance, the last competitive performance of the day. Arshida. 22. Nine. Track number 22.
Please play the track. everybody.
So I just want to know, is the Bollywood Saga gang here? Rakhi, Sunandini, Priya. So that was all the performances for you from the Your Talent show. A huge round of applause for all the performers. And thank you to our judges for taking their time out. We would like to felicitate them. GC, can we have you on the stage? Dr. Karan? Dr. Karan, can you please felicitate the judges?
मुझे तो देना ना माइक्स में क्या बोलना है मुझे
Judges.
So big thank you to all the judges for participating in this grand event. I'm sure LBO will be proud of it. And definitely Yossi does set a benchmark for LBO. The talent is here in young ophthalmologists. So big thank you to all the judges. I would request you to please come. Harshul Tak sir. Thank you so much sir. Cameraman. Ma'am, आइए ma'am, आइए please. Nupur, you have to do it. Sir, Santosh Honavar sir, Arvind Maurya sir, Rohan sir, please come. Tamil I'll say, Vanga. Sigram Vanga sir. Vanga sir. Sir. One more. Judges appreciation sir.
उषा भाई सबसे ज्यादा किए हैं तेरे भाई ने
आपसे ज्यादा मैंने किए हैं सर क्या बात कर रहे हो मैं तो रुक गया थैंक यू सर थैंक यू So guys, can we have a big round of applause to our judges who've been patiently actually enjoying the performances, right? So hip hip, hip hip, hip hip. Let's take a picture.
Rakhi, join us.
Rakhi, Rituja, Priya, social cultural team, Samiksha, everybody please come. Sunandini, Rolika, Bharat. इधर बीच में आ जा इधर आ जा ना हाँ ये कोई बात नहीं Soumya, come on. All the participants can also join. Whoever wants to come in can come in for this grand picture. Amit, come on. Representation from Nepal as well. Come on. Big event. Come on. Dharai Ramrocha.
Let people keep coming.
Come on. We're going to take a picture. Everybody, come on. Come on. Dr. Divakant, कहाँ भाग गए हो आप तो दारू भी नहीं पीते हो Thank you so much. Thank you. Okay. So I'll just announce.
I mean, we want everyone to join us on the stage.
उसके बाद I'll announce that the bar is open till 11:40. 30 minutes. Okay, guys, we're going to end. You play the music first. Then we'll dance. One more, everybody. Come on, come on. Whoever is beautiful out here. Whoever is beautiful. I see beautiful girls here. I see beautiful boys and girls here. And I see everybody. Join us here. I'm straight.
मेरा अवार्ड पुशअप वाला
सर हम आपको स्पेशल अवार्ड देंगे स्पेशल अवार्ड सर मेरे भैया हैं बड़े भैया तभी तो क्या नाम तू करना
So we have one more surprise performance. It's on trending Bollywood songs by the Yossi team, and we request all of you to join on stage. Whichever song you feel like, you join us on stage. So can we have the last track, please? Track number 20, Bollywood Saga. Bollywood Saga.
Come on.
Wait.
सर थोड़ा आगे जाना पड़ेगा आपको और आगे जाना पड़ेगा और आगे
So when we say, then you start the song.
Dr. Divakar Mishra, Prasanna Venkatesh Ramesh, Dr. N. Nishant, Rituja, join us on stage, Dr. Nilesh Kumar, Government Council. Everybody, you can join in. You can join in. The music starts, the party starts.
Make some noise for the Desi boys. 1, 2, 3, go. English ढूंढके दिल की रिदम पे मारे जम जम के Desi boys. सोने मोने बन के छाती डोले तन के नाचे जम जम के Desi boys.
एक दो तीन चार पाँच छः सात आठ नौ 10 11 12 13 एक दो तीन चार पाँच छः सात आठ नौ 10 11 12 13 तेरा करो दिन 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 पे इंतजार आजा पिया आए बाहर
चुरा के दिल मेरा गोरिया चली चुरा के दिल मेरा गोरिया चली पूरा के निंदिया कहाँ तू चली पागल हुआ दीवाना हुआ पागल हुआ दीवाना हुआ कैसी ये दिल की लगी कजरा रे तेरे कारे कारे नैना कजरा रे तेरे कारे कारे नैना ओ कजरा रे तेरे कारे कारे नैना कजरा रे तेरे कारे कारे नैना
సందు దొరికిందంటే చాలు ఈ మగ బుద్ధే వంకర బుద్ధి ఊ అంటావా అమ్మవా ఊ అంటావా అమ్మవా
पल का जीना फिर तो है जाना, तोहफा क्या लेके जाइए दिल ये बताना। खाली हाथ आए थे हम खाली हाथ जाएंगे, बस प्यार के दो मीठे बोल झिलमिलाएंगे। तो हंस क्योंकि दुनिया को है हंसाना, ए मेरे दिल तू गाए जा, ए आए आ